Request a free legal consultation with an independent immigration attorney at permanentresident.us. You may be matched with a different attorney.
So the question is, are there any kind of PhD subjects that will likely qualify somebody for the EB-1A qualification? And I'd say, there's not really one field or the other that'll advantage you. I will say that there are certain fields that will be harder to qualify for the EB-1A. And it's mainly due to if you are in a field that already has a high population of persons in it. You're going to have to compete against that population and show that you are at the very top of that population, that you have extraordinary ability and you have reached the top of that field of endeavor. So here's an example. If you have a person who is saying that they are of extraordinary ability in computer science, that means that you're competing against persons like Bill Gates, Marissa Mayer, Steve Jobs, these very, very famous persons who are of extremely high profile. And also, computer science in itself is a very, very wide open field. Versus, let's say you have someone who's working in machine learning. Machine learning, of course, is also becoming very popular, very useful in today's world, but it's a much more focused population. There are arguably fewer people who have reached the top of that field so far to date. So you have an easier argument there. If that's your field, you have a much, I wouldn't say a much easier time, but you're going to have a relatively easier time showing that you are someone of extraordinary ability, that you have reached the top of that particular field.
To have your question considered for an upcoming video, you must follow or subscribe, then comment with your question. Visit permanentresident.us to watch more videos on self-sponsoring your green card, or go to our permanentresident.us account on this app to watch the next video.